Fire escape inspection summary video. This is Inspector Alan Toll. I'm here at Elwood in Oakland. This is a single platform balcony with a ladder to the roof, and a very interesting condition where you have a ladder that you can purchase to drop to the grade, which is not satisfactory. So this is a load test inspection, pass fail. What we're looking for is that the fire escape is painted and that it is structurally sound and ready for its intended use. We won't be able to pass this today. We need a solution for a ladder, which I've notified the client. Either maybe it might be best bet to just have a fold down ladder, but we need to take a look at some of our options. But other than that, the fire escape is painted. It is in good structural order. We could, other than the stairs, it could be passed and ready for a load test or an opinion affidavit or a restoration. It's all original hardware, but not a lot of connections. So if we can just get a solution for this ladder, then we would be good to go. So if you have any questions, Fire Escape Engineers, 866-649-0333. This is Alan Toll, a certified fire escape inspector and licensed architect. And again, this fire escape is painted, doesn't need paint, but it does need a design for a ladder or a stair or drop down or something.